Hey everyone, Dr. Joe here, and I am so excited to do this 4-minute video. 4 minutes, can you do it? Yes, he can. Yes. So if you are in Quebec in this age yep, and all things that rhyme with my accent, you will know about the boogeyman. No, not the one on the third floor. Why would you even say that? That's so weird. No, stop that. The boogeyman for everyone in English exit or the English exit exam for the French ones is the French exit exam or FEE, F-E-E. Boy, it's not a money grab. These exams are not money grabs. I don't care what you say. Whoever said that. They're definitely things you will absolutely use for the rest of your life. This 5-paragraph paper formula that's paint by numbers. You'll absolutely use this every day. It's like flossing. Well, actually, it's not like flossing. No one does that until they get yelled at. Kids, floss. That's all I got to say. And as you floss, let's go on. So this one's mostly going to be on, that was my knee popping, by the way, mostly on the overall structure. I'm going to give a quick boom, boom, boom. And the next video is going to be only an introduction. My video after that is only body paragraphs and then conclusion, right? So overall structure, because you want to pass the exit exams, you do, or our classes or whatnot. It's a 5-paragraph paper. That's it. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. Ooh, that's offspring. But 5, that's this many paragraph papers. And yes, I'm wearing the same shirts. This is the same day, whatever. Magic. No, it's next week. So, introduction, you putting your thesis out with a roadmap. You're talking what it's going to be about, and you're giving us a roadmap, right? Then you have 3 points in your introduction that you're going to say, I'm going to talk about, these are my evidence, this, and this. These 3 techniques, whatever it is. And then each of those points becomes a body paragraph with at least 2 parts. When I say at least, just do 2. Don't do 3. Don't do 4. We'll get into body paragraphs later, but a little bit of textual evidence. Textual evidence just for you guys means quotes. Cite them. My gosh. Just cite your stuff. Please. It's a last name and a page number. It ain't that hard. I mean, yeah, that's been my day. And a conclusion. You notice how the introduction, this word says introduction, and this one says conclusion? You know why that is? Because they're 2 different paragraphs. Yeah. So don't just copy and paste this one for this one. No. Make new ones. Cool. So I'm not going to go into beyond this, right? There's word counts. I'm going to show you a little bit of the word count right here. Your introduction is going to be 125-ish words for most of you. And then what's your body paragraph? It's about 250. Conclusion, going to be 125 again. Okay, so your introduction is going to be 125. Your body paragraph is going to be double the size of your introductions, each body paragraph. And your conclusion is the same size as your introduction. So if you're having a paper that's going to be like, here's my introduction and then here's my body paragraph, you messed up. If it's here's my introduction and here's my body paragraph, that's great. And your conclusion over there, that's bad too. So these are some tips. I'm going to go completely talk to my camera now. There, I'm looking at you. There you are. I got my headphones on so I can hear myself. So I'm very vain, as you can tell. Tips. Tip number 1. You're the only person writing this. I want to know what you think. I don't care about experts. I don't care about anyone else. I want to know what you think. You are the ice cream. The quotations are the sprinkles. Number 2, make sure you do have 5 paragraphs. You'd be surprised how many people don't have 5 paragraphs in a 5-paragraph paper. And yeah, I know I'm going over time right now. It's okay. I'm a big boy. I can go over time. Number 3, I think I'm ripping off Joe Bob Briggs right now from Last Drive-In on Shudder Fridays. Ooh, my first sponsor on Shudder Fridays at 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 Pacific. Check them out. Last Drive-In, only on Shudder. So that's number 3. Number 4, no, number 3. That's just me doing a plug. Number 3, if you are handwriting this, make sure we can read it. I've got 2 glasses. I got glasses, guys. This is how I have to, I've got fly eyes right now. All right. This is, over there. This is all of King Lear, I think, or Macbeth. One of the two. You guys all read the plays anyways. This is all Macbeth. This is how small your handwriting looks to me usually, okay? Right, so we can see it. Right, dark enough, hard enough. Use a pen if you have to. I don't care. Whatever they let you do it. Skip lines, don't skip lines, whatever they say. Who knows? Who cares? My good friend Dr. Payne would say, right? Do what they say. For me, I need to read it. If you're typing it, spell check. If you're typing this thing, please put your spell check dictionary on English. It will help you a lot. Please. And don't use translate. Translators don't get in bad habits, right? And cite. It ain't that hard. Last name, page number. Last name, page number. What's the guy's last name? I don't know. Who wrote the book? Oh, that's that dude right there. That dude wrote the book. Put his last name in. What page number? Look down. Or up, depending what the page is. Who knows? But it's on there. Use it. Full references, yeah, they're a pain in the butt. I get it. But we're giving you stories here. And for those who are outside of Quebec, these are like basically exams where they'll give you a choice of 3 stories. And you pick one. And you write a 5-paragraph, 750 words to 1,000-word paper on it. It's paint by numbers. I ain't gonna lie. It's paint by number. But we're gonna make the best paint by number ever. We're gonna do some Bob Rossing later on. But right now, we're getting some paint by numbers in, okay? So, number 40. Take your time. It's okay if you mess up. You are always enough. I hope you guys understand that. I have a PhD. I have a PhD in English somewhere. I haven't done these things. The first time I did a 5-paragraph lit analysis, when I started teaching Cégep, we don't really use these. Sorry, cat's out of the bag on that one. There's 5-paragraph argumentative papers. The 5-paragraph paper is just kind of like the simple freshman thing to do. No one really does that anymore. I don't know. So don't beat yourself up. That's what I'm trying to say. Just have confidence. Breathe in, breathe out, move on. That's Jimmy Buffett. I'm just ripping people off now. So if you have questions, please let me know. I am Dr. Joe Schiff. On behalf of myself, this is my channel. Yo! Give me a line. Drop me a line. Give me an email. Whatever. Call me up. Don't call me up, please. Don't call me up. That'd be ultra weird. And watch my next video on the introduction. Ooh, introducing yourself. So hard to do sometimes. Later.